Are you okay, Pumpkin? You're right. You need a glass of water. You need anything? Have you took your medication? Have you eaten? Just relax. Take care. Have some water. Relax. Take some rest. Watch some TV. You'll be fine. That's it. Keep on coughing more. Keep on coughing. That's what happens when you have too many sweets, when you have fizzy drinks, when you don't take care of yourself, when you keep playing video games, when you're on your phone so much. That's what happens. You start coughing. Keep on. Keep at it.